Hello everyone, welcome to Dinstar product experience session. Today we're bringing you the unboxing video of our cost-effective entry-level C60 series IP phones. Compact and durable with hassle-free deployment, they are perfectly suitable for small enterprises, retail stores, and field mobile office scenarios. Our C60 series includes multiple models: C60S, C60P, basic monochrome screen models, C60U, C60UP, backlit monochrome screen models, plus special wireless variants C60UP-W with built-in Wi-Fi and C60UP-T with built-in 4G. All models share largely identical appearance and accessories. Today, we will estimate the full unboxing and installation process with our best-selling C60UP. Package contents: 1 C60UP main unit, handset, RJ9 handset cord, Ethernet cable and adjustable stand. Models with the suffix P support PoE power supply and do not come with a power adapter as standard. Adapters are available as optional accessories. Standard models without the P suffix do not support PoE and are supplied with a power adapter by default. Let's start with the overall appearance. It features an ultra-slim, compact business body with rounded edges, taking up little desk space for long-term placement. The physical keys offer comfortable rebound feedback. Equipped with HD handset and speaker, it delivers clear, noise-free calls. After unboxing, inspect the unit, Ethernet ports, and RJ9 headset jack for any damage before quick assembly. The whole process can be easily finished in 3 steps. Assembly is extremely easy. Just follow the steps. Step 1. Take out the RJ9 handset cord. Connect its 2 ends to the handset receiver and the dedicated RJ9 port on the back of the phone, respectively, and plug them tightly to prevent loosening. Step 2. Align the buckles of the stand with the slots on the rear of the phone. Then push inward gently to lock it firmly. The dual-angle adjustable stand fits the desktop well, whether placed upright or tilted. Step 3. Power on and connect to the network. For the PE in app mode, simply plug in an Ethernet cable to realize power supply and network transmission simultaneously, keeping wiring neat at workstations. Standard models need to be connected to the bundled power adapter for startup. Wireless versions C60UP-W and C60UP-T require no Ethernet cables. After powering on, connect to the network via the Wi-Fi 4G setting page on the screen, making them ideal for mobile stores and workstation without network cabling. Committed to environmental protection, the C60 series does not come with a printed user manual. You may contact your channel supplier for relevant documents, or log on to Dinstar official website to download the electronic quick configuration manual for free. It contains clear illustrated steps that are easy to understand, even for beginners with zero operation experience. This covers the full unboxing and installation procedure of Dinstar entry-level C60 series IP phones. Featuring low cost and easy deployment, they support 2 Skype calls and HD voice calls, along with built-in Bluetooth and 5-party local conference functions. Perfectly suited for small companies, chain stores, back office workstations, and field mobile office scenarios. Thank you for watching. For configurations, please refer to the electronic manual or contact Dinstar official technical support. See you next time.